Happy Halloween! Trick or treat! Well, hello, my pretties. Come on in. Help me spin some magic within. For Tiny Tidy Tuesday is the day, which is hosted by Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. Let's go see what we can do to help this lady within. Where shall we start? The bedroom, I think. I'm sure the bed is torn all apart with some fairy dust. I hear Sharon has lots. Well, the fairy dust did great. The bedroom is all put back together and looks very pretty. Let's see what's next. The kitchen, I'm sure, has dishes galore. Let's see. Oh yes, there they are. This will need more than fairy dust. A spell is a must. So let's see. We have cups and glasses and bowls and pots and pans and forks and knives and spoons. Magical spell must be strong. Hot water, soapy suds we'll need to get each of them clean. Swish, swish, scrub, scrub, dub-a-dub. Now I'll call the fairies to dry and put everything right. Yes, the spell worked. Everything is clean and put away. The fairies dried it all up and put it right. Ready to use again. Good job, everybody. Well, I think some fairy dust will work in here. We just have to fluff some pillows and straighten some blankets and put a few things away. So let's get the fairy dust out and it can do its magic. Yes, this looks great. Everything back in its place. And it's all cozy and warm for our fall day. Listen, I think I hear something in the craft room. Look, it's Sharon. I bet she's tidying again. Always something to do in this room. Well, we'll just sit and watch and see what magic she makes. Hi, it's Sharon. And it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And I need to tidy my desk so that I can do my fairy gardens. Want to make some this week. And I have quite a collection of stuff here. It's not too bad. Stuff that I'm going to put places there, and I know they have places. So this is camera stuff. And it goes under here. This is decorating stuff. I have a bag with decorating stuff. We're going to go and fetch it. Oops. Okay. I have to make a few more, but I'm going to put all of these in here just so I can get them off my desk. These are just some flowers and stuff that I bought for decorating when we decorate for our holy days in our faith, the Baha'i faith. So I think I got all of that off of there. So I can hang it up here. Oh, my apron. This is an apron I use when I do pottery. I'm going to fold it up. And I think I have some other things out here that are pottery related. And I'm going to put them away with my pottery stuff. These tools, I like that there. Oh, and these tools. Oh, maybe I'll just set them here. This is garbage. This goes in the kitchen. E6000 glue. I bought myself a little caddy and I am going to organize it someday. Right now I'm just sticking stuff in it that I think I might want to use in it. Because I need to reorganize my whole working table. Candle. There. Oop. Okay, everything's okay. I'm going to put this in the kitchen. Okay, I usually need paper towel. These are my glue sticks. Wet cloth. This is a broken teacup, which is very sad. I'm going to put it over on these shelves because someday I'm going to do an art project. Plastic rubber gloves. They can go in with the, where's my wood pokey things.
Well, at this time I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this content, give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to watch the playlist. Everybody will be in my comments section.
And still organized. This is for outside. I'll stick with it here. Okay, and napkins, they can get put away. Oh, and there's some more decorations. Not sure what this bag is. Not sure what this bag is for, but it's kind of neat. And I won't throw it away in case it's hubby's. I'll just hang it over here. And you can almost see the table. That's a fairy. I won't put her away. I want that little thing. I don't know why. I have my knife. And of course my glue gun. Wow. Whoops. Let's hopefully we're filming some of this. Okay, well you weren't seeing much of the table, but there we go. It's all cleaned off. Scrape this all off. Get it cleaned up. This is hand sanitizer, which isn't mine. I'll put it over there. Scraper thing. Yeah, this is probably a terrible sound to listen to. Tiny tidy. Oh, don't worry about that glue. That must be E6000. Doesn't pop off as easy. Oh, we'll just get this table as clean as we can. It's never that clean. Okay, we'll bring the garbage can over. Scoop all that into our garbage can. There we go. There we go. That looks better. Put this back in here. Now I got a cloth down here. I might have a spray in here. Nope. Oh yes, I do. Here's a spray. This is Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner, so I don't know how it's going to go. Or maybe it's just water and something else, I don't know. Anyhow, it will get the dust off and get up all the marks, but it is a working table. So, there we go. Isn't that nice? I'm pleased, even though it's kind of grungy looking. Maybe I'll twist it around and work on a clean side. Pretend I have a nice clean work table. Both sides have been well used, believe me. Okay. There's the table cleaned off. It's not too badly organized underneath, but I'll get to that in another day. A wilderness tree, I guess you call it. And I got him at that thrift store for Christmas. He's a little owl. He's got a hat on his head with fur. And I paid $4 for him. I thought he was cute. And I have a box of stuff where I'm putting all the birds and stuff that I'm collecting. So he'll go in there. Okay. Okay. Oh, I look a mess. Oh well. So, that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. And I'd like to thank Sunday Dawn, who hosts this collaboration every week. I do enjoy it because I do get lots of stuff done. Don't forget to watch the playlist. It'll be in the comments below. And there'll be lots of inspiration from everyone to do some little tiny tidying thing in your home, and it makes such a difference. Just like cleaning off my desk did, and now I can work again. Okay, we'll see you in my next video, which will be Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye!